Did you know the most successful pirate in history refused to drink alcohol, banned gambling on his ship, and made his entire crew go to bed by 8 in the evening? His name was Bartholomew Roberts, and while Blackbeard gets all the fame, Roberts was the one actually winning. Between 1719 and 1722, he captured over 400 ships. That is more than Blackbeard and Calico Jack combined. Not even close. But here is the part nobody talks about. Roberts ran his crew like a military operation. Every man on board signed a written code of conduct. No fighting below deck, no gambling, no women allowed. Lights out at 8. He dressed in fine silk clothes, carried a diamond cross around his neck, and drank tea while his enemies drank rum. He was not wild. He was not reckless. He was disciplined, calculated, and absolutely ruthless when it counted. The most dangerous pirate of the Golden Age looked nothing like a pirate at all, and that is exactly why he won.